Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a video about the transmission code. It popped up in my wife's car like 6 months ago. I'm not really a transmission guy, so we decided to bring it to a shop. After 3 months and $3,000, when the transmission was rebuilt, we picked it up. It was running for about 50 miles. Same again, it got stuck in limp mode. It wouldn't shift. So turned around, took it back to the shop. Then again, after 3 weeks, got it back, was running. Same thing, about 50 miles. Went in limp mode again. So then I said, okay, I'm going to do some research on the internet. And I was reading all kinds of stories on the internet. The first thing I found out, you cannot reset that code with the cheapy code reader that you buy at Harbor Freight or wherever. So I searched again, and the cheapest code reader I could find was $129. And we decided to buy it. Oh boy, best $129 I ever spent. So after I got that thing in the mail, in the meantime I was reading more about that code, and it's really a mean one. So I got that thing in the mail, and let's just go and check it out. When you buy it, you tell them the manufacturer of your car, truck, whatever you got, and it comes pre-programmed for that car model year. It's on a little micro SD card that sits on the side of the tester. So you can update it at any time, plugging it in the computer, and there it updates. If you decide, or if you sell your car and buy another model car manufacturer, you can upgrade it. It's $60 for every time you upgrade it to another car manufacturer. And I believe you can store 10 of them in there. So you basically can fix 10 different cars with it. But anyway, let's get it out and let's see. So this is what you get when you plug it in. It comes automatically up with your VIN number and everything. So it knows your car, your VIN number. So after that, say OK. Now we can auto scan, control unit, service. Let's start with auto scan. Now it scans all the control modules. Right now for powertrain. So as you can see, we already have faults in the powertrain, the transmission. really scans a lot, and for $129, I believe I paid for it, I would buy it again. There's another airbag fault that popped up I wasn't even aware of. So after you see the screen with your VIN number, you just hit OK. Then this screen pops up. Auto scan, control units, service. We go to control units, press OK. From there, we choose powertrain and TCM, transmission control module. Now he is doing his stuff. Diagnostic is running. We gotta wait a little bit. Okay, then this pops up. Now what you have to do is go down until you find miscellaneous. See, the very first one. Clear learned variable line pressure counter. That's what we need to reset. So we press OK. F1, OK. So now we have to turn the engine off. That's okay. And there it is. And here we can say, choose one of the following options. Clear VLP 2 to 3 shift and count open loop. So first we want to clear VLP. Press OK. There, clear VLP. Second to third shift count and open loop. Press OK. Open loop count. Press F1. Finish. Has been cleared. The open count. So now we're gonna get the second one. Or the first one in this case, clear VLP. second to third shift count in open loop. Okay. Let's finish. Has been cleared. So now your car is shifting like it was before. No, there's got to be maybe a problem. That's maybe just a temporary solution if your transmission is really bad. See what it does? It counts your shifting from second to third gear. And when it's under high pressure, it gives you 1,000 shifts. And then it will kick back in and go into limp mode. It's either 1,000 shifts or 3,000 miles. I believe that's what it is. And then you're gonna have the same thing again, but maybe not. Maybe just, like in our case, the transmission shop just forgot to reset that counter. They didn't even know about that counter or that code. I called them up and say, I have code 17, whatever it was. He didn't even know what that was. And I went to another shop. Oh, no big deal, $50, I reset for you. No, they couldn't reset it. So that's a hard one. And you cannot reset it with a cheap scanner you buy at Harbor Freight or wherever. That won't work. So you have to get the real tool. And then it worked. And we are driving the car now for like 3 months, 4 months. Nothing happened. Runs like a charm. So I know there are a lot of people out there, they have problem with the same thing. They spend a lot of money and still didn't get it fixed. So I would highly suggest that you buy that scanner tool. It's not just for this, you can use it for so many other things. It really does a lot of stuff. From adjusting your headlight to, it does everything. Resetting your tire pressure, it's endless. So it's well worth to spend those $129. And the good part is you can use that tool even if you switch cars, brands. You just buy for $60. Go online, buy it, plug it in, it downloads, and you're good to go for your new brand, car, model, whatever you got. It works for trucks. So I'm really happy with it. Well, I hope I could help out somebody here who has the same problem than I had. And thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.